Hello, Camly learners. Welcome back to my class. My name is Teacher Rosie, and I am a teacher on Camly Kids. Today, you will be learning about rooms in a house and the things and furniture that we can find in those rooms. Ready? Let's go! Okay, let's get started and let's take a look at what rooms can we find inside a house. What rooms can we find? A living room, a kitchen, a dining room, a bedroom, a laundry room, and a bathroom. Now, let's go and see what things and furniture we can find in those rooms. Okay, let's look at the first room, the living room. What things and furniture can we find in the living room? We can find an armchair, a sofa, cushions, a TV stand, a television, a coffee table, a carpet, a picture, a floor lamp, and a bookshelf. Okay, let's go with the next room, a kitchen. What things and furniture can we find in a kitchen? We can find a stove, an oven, a dishwasher, a fridge, a sink, a cupboard, shelves, a microwave, a kitchen table, kitchen chairs, and drawers. We can bake a cake and cook food in a kitchen. Okay, Camly learners, you are doing a great job. Let's look at the next room, a dining room. What things and furniture can we find in a dining room? We can find a dining table, dining chairs, tablecloth, chandelier, china cabinet. We can also find on the dining table plates, glass cups, spoons, forks, and knives. We can have dinner with our family in a dining room. Okay, our next room is a bedroom. What things and furniture can we find in a bedroom? We can find a bed, a dresser, a wardrobe, pillows, a mirror, a table lamp, a window, a desk, a chair, and a computer. Here we have our next room, our laundry room. What things and furniture can we find in a laundry room? We can find a washing machine, clothes dryer, storage baskets, laundry supplies, drying racks, and hangers. We can wash and dry our clothes in a laundry room. And here we have the last room we will learn today, a bathroom. What things and furniture can we find in a bathroom? We can find a toilet, a shower, bathtub, a mirror, a towel rail, a bathroom cabinet, a sink, a hand towel, a bath towel, soap, and toilet paper. We can take a shower and brush our teeth in a bathroom. Now let's review the rooms we learned about today by doing this activity. Let's answer the following questions. Where do we cook? Excellent. In the kitchen. The next one, where do we eat dinner? Very good. In the dining room. And the last question, where do we take a shower and brush our teeth? Very good. In the bathroom. Great job, Cambly learners. You did a great job today learning about rooms in a house and things and furniture in those rooms. I hope to see you in our next lesson. For those who are unfamiliar with Cambly Kids, Cambly gives you instant access to amazing native English speakers who are kid-friendly, just like me. Ask your parents to schedule your next lesson with me using the link below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.